Alright, we are pulling into Garden of the Gods. Wow, breathtaking, huh? Ellie, this is pretty cool, huh? Come on, Ellie. Up, up. Come on, Ellie, get up there. Up, up. Get up there. Up, up. There you go. Up, up. There you go. The Garden of Gods is over 1,360 acres and provides a beautiful haven for both visitors and wildlife. In 1879, General William Jackson Palmer, the founder of Colorado Springs, convinced his friend Charles Elliott Perkins to purchase the land in Garden of Gods. Perkins eventually bought the total of 480 spectacular acres surrounding the Gateway Rocks, paying a mere $22 per acre. Perkins, the president of Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad, lived in Iowa. He never built on his Colorado land, but he generously allowed the public to enjoy his property. Apparently, you can do rock climbing on this if you have the right climbing gear and a permit. I'm frozen in stone. This rock formation, called Sentinel Rock, is a geological treasure. It is composed of two types of rock, a fine sandstone and a gravelly conglomerate. The various layers in this rock were deposited 275 million years ago. The Garden of Gods are famous for their variety of flesh-eating bird species. These hellish little birds will, every once in a while, get the craving for human blood. They'll go and peck the backs of the human necks to draw blood and then feast on what they can before getting chased away. They particularly crave the non-showered necks of van dwellers as a tasty treat. I'm not sure I can look at these cute little birds the same way again. Climbing dog, come on. Over here. Okay, over here. There you go. Over there. Ellie, this way. Ellie, right here. Up, up. There you go. Good girl. There. Okay, the rock climbing dog. Come on, let's go. Okay. There you go. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah, come on, let's go. There you go. Over here. There you go. Alright, good girl, Ellie. Hey, let me get a picture. Where are we going, Ellie? Where are you taking me? Alright. Yeah, go. Yeah, where are we going? Yeah, where are we going, Ellie? Where are we going? Oh shit. Wildlife. Ellie, no, come on. Come on, girlie. Come on, where are we going? Where are we going now? Where are you taking me? Where are we going? Okay, let's go. Come on, up. Come on, go. Oh shit. Hold on, Ellie. What's in here? Come on. Up, go. Yeah, go in there. Up. Okay. I'm sorry. Ellie, come on. Come on. Hey girl, look over here. That is freaking beautiful. How did Pikes Peak form? Over 1 billion years ago, Pikes Peak granite was molten or liquid rock. It slowly cooled and hardened miles below the Earth's surface, giving mineral crystals time to grow. The mass of the solid rock was pushed up several times by mountain-building forces. About 65 million years ago, the collision of huge plates of the Earth elevated the region, creating the Rocky Mountains. About 35 million years ago, colliding plates caused pulses, raising the region yet again. Throughout this time, erosion wore away overlying layers of exposed and ancient granite. From 2 million to 10,000 years ago, long periods of wintry ice age weather gripped the land. Alpine glaciers formed the Pikes Peak. These rivers of ice sculpted the U-shaped valleys and bowl-like hollows. Today, erosion continues to shape the rugged mountain. What do you think Pikes Peak will look like millions of years from now? We're in a different area of the park here. 10-minute hike up, and we have reached the Siamese twins rock formation. Oh yeah, this looks like a nice place to sit. Right here where everyone's taking pictures. Let's eat our lunch and block everyone from taking pictures. God damn. Have some self-awareness, man. Hey, right there. You're my little photogenic girl here. Let's get a look at where you're at here. In between the two Siamese twins, rock formations. Good girl. Picture time. to let you know, just describe what I'm feeling right now. We just did a 10-minute hike in the sun, and right now I'm in between these two rock formations. There's a nice gentle breeze of wind coming through. It's just so like relaxing, refreshing. Just take a look at the surroundings here. Like the sun's not messing with what the camera's picking up, but I mean, it is gorgeous. It's breathtaking. This is definitely worth a visit. So here's Balanced Rock. Made it. Around 300 million years ago, the ancestral Rockies once stood here. Over time, the forces of wind and water eroded the magnificent peaks into swift streams full of sediments. These sediments were eventually pressed and cemented into solid rock. The new rocks took the form of sands full of iron oxide, creating red sandstone rock, and muds forming softer, more delicate shales, and a mixture of sand and pebbles called conglomerate. It privately owned Balanced Rock. In the 1890s, photographer Paul Gork shrewdly purchased the land around Balanced Rock. Gork and his son, Kurt, snapped photos of the tourists for 25 cents each. Originally, the Gorks let people view Balanced Rock for free. They made money by charging for portraits, and in later years selling photographic supplies. Once personal cameras became more available, people started taking their own photos. To generate income, Kurt Gork built a wooden fence around the Balanced Rock and charged 25 cents for admission. When the city of Colorado Springs purchased the Gork property in 1932, a large crowd cheered the dismantling of the wall. He's actually filming a commercial right now for Otterbox. This is a triathlon runner. Is this guy a triathlon runner or something like that? Cool, I guess they have a permit to film. Hey, sorry to be a pain, but what's his name? What the runner's name?
Andy Potts.
Andy Potts. Okay, cool. It's Andy Potts. Filming a commercial for Otterbox. Life-proof phone cases. The commercial will be on during Ironman?
Ironman, like World Championship in Kona.
Okay.
Which is, I think, in October.
Oh, nice.
And it'll also be online before that.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, where are you taking me, Ellie? Where are we going now? Ooh, I don't think we want to go down there. No, let's not go down there. We can't go up there either. We've reached a dead end, Ellie. We're in this very precarious place here. We've got a great view. It's trying to get a selfie of us. But look what we have behind us, man. It's kind of dangerous. So I think this is it. We're gonna go down. Okay, Ellie, you ready to go? Made it to Balanced Rock. What do we got up here? Oh, it's an Ellie. Look at that. It's just wild deer here. There's one right here. There's one over there in that guy's front yard. There's a deer right there. There's two deers right up here. Those deers right there. What is that, Ellie? What is that? Just hanging out in the guy's front yard, huh? Yeah, go ahead, sure. Yeah.
Hey guys, as you can see, one of those flesh-eating birds got the side of my neck. Now, I've been to a doctor, and I guess it's still leaking, but I didn't have Obamacare, so they hit me with this huge medical bill. I really need some help. Can you guys please send some monies over to me? I knew I should have showered before I went on that hike.
Thanks for watching, guys. Get out there and live the dream. LTD. Later.
Okay guys, disclaimer, those birds were not real. They were just sound effects in my imagination. But hey, if you guys like this video, tell your mama. Tell your mama's mama. That's your grandmama. And give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. Tell me what's on your mind. What do you think about this video? Is it crazy wackadoo or what, man?